Assalamu alaikum students. Hope all of you will be fine. This is Javed Zulfkar, your mathematics teacher for class 3. This is the second lecture of third week that we are going to starting. This lecture is about page 14 and 15. In this lecture, we are going to study about expanded form and compressed form. You can say that expanded form of number and after expanded form, we'll have to write in words. Clear? So these two things we will try our best to explain very well. Okay, all my students must do more practice so that it become easy for all of you. Okay, so let's start our today's lecture. Okay, write the number in expanded form. First of all, okay, students, you should know about the place value here. The place value of 1, 10, 100,000. The place value of 6 is 1000, 1, 10, 100,000. So at 6, it will be 6,000. After that, 8, 1, 10, 100. The place value of 8 is 100. So 800. And 3 is 10. So it will be 30 and then 9. Clear all of you? All the students, you should know about that 6,830 and 9. Okay, after that 1, 10, 100,000. So 2,000 is the place value. After that 500. Here 0, you will write 0. At 10th place, so you write 2 0. After that 2 is there. Clear all the students? You should know about the place value. Must write here the tens place. Where there is tens place, so 2 digit will be there. Where there will be hundreds place, there will be 3 digit. Thousand place, there should be 4 digit. Clear all of you? So you should know about these facts. Here 3,000, 1, 10, 100,000. So we will write here 3,000, 400. Like this, and after 9 plus 0, 90 plus 0. Clear all of you students? At the end, once digit is 0. So we write 0. After that, 8,000, and then this is 100 place is 0. How much digit have for 100 place? 3. So 3 zeros will be there. After that, we will write here 70 plus 6. Clear all of you? Okay. Now 1, 10, 100,000. So it will be 5,000, and here 100, and then 70, and then 5. I think all of you, all the students clear about this. Okay. So it will be 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000 student. This is a little bit change here. One more digit is here. 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000. So it means 30,000. The place of 3 is 30,000. So we will write here 30,000 like this. And after 4 is for 1,000 place, so 4,000 like this. And then after 9 is here for 100 place, so 900 plus 0 here for 10th place, and then after we will write 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times we will expand because 5 digits are here. So don't be confused. You should know about the digit. If you know about the place value, you people can solve this very easily. Okay, after that, 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 50,000 here, like this. This is thousands place. Thousands place, we will write 40. Where all the students here, 1000 place is 0, so we will write 40 at that place, and then 4 is at 100 place, so 400. After that 3, so 3 it will be 30, and after it will be 7. Clear all the students? Okay. Then after 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000, so it will be 60,000. After that it will be 6,000, After that 600, and then tens 0 place 0 is the tens place, and then at last it will be 6. Students, this question number 1 has A to J parts. So I solved some few parts so that it become easy for you people, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस हो सके. आप जो पार्ट्स रह गए वो आप लोगों ने खुद ट्राई करने हैं. क्लियर? इसके बाद हम सेकंड पार्ट की तरफ चलते हैं. आप लोगों ने इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए प्लेस वैल्यू को अच्छे से देखना है. थाउजेंड्स में कितने डिजिट आते हैं, 10,000 में कितने आते हैं, इस तरह 100 में कितने आते हैं, टेंस में. सो दैट ये आप लोग के लिए इजी हो जाएगा और कोई डिफिकल्टी नहीं रहेगी और आप इजीली सॉल्व कर सकेंगे. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, राइट इन नंबर्स. अब ये राइट हुआ है. अब हमने इसके पहले हमने इसको एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में राइट किया, अब हमने इनको नंबर्स में राइट करना है. लुक एट द एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म एंड राइट इन नंबर्स. ओके. एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म, this is ones, tens, 100,000. Clear all of you? Okay. 7 we will write first of all, and then after 3 is 1, 10, 100. So at hundreds place it will be 3. After tens place it will be 1, and 6 will be at tens place, ones place. Clear all of you? 7, 3, 1, 6. Clear all the students? Okay. 8, 1, 10, 100,000. 8 is here, thousands place, at thousand place, and 3 zeros. Okay, 3 zero. One more zero we will write because of this. Yes. After that there will be tens place. At tens it will be 7, and at ones it will be 2. Clear all the students? You should know about this is ones place, tens, 100,000. Just combine these places and you will get the number. Okay, ones place is thousands place is 4, hundreds place is 9, 10 place is 8, ones place is 0. After combining the place values ones, tens, 100,000, you will get the number. Okay, 4, 9, 8 and 0. Okay, 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000 actually is. So 10,000 place is 7, 1, 10, 100,000, thousands place is 9, yes. After 100 place is 2, and tens place is 6, and ones place is 1, like this. 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000. Clear? So 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000. Look the greatest number and combine all 7, 9, 2, 6, 1. Where there is 0, you will write 0. Like in this question, there was 0, so we wrote 0 here. So I think about that question, this is an practice work, not an exercise. So for this question number 1 and question number 2, you will solve on your booklet. There is it should be neat and clean for all the students. Okay, till next lecture मुझे इजाज़त दीजिए. अल्लाह हाफिज़.